We are given two strings, pattern and s, and we need to find out whether they both follow the same pattern or there is a bijection between the given two strings. For example, if we are given pattern equal to ABBA and s equal to dog, cat, cat, dog, then we can see here that the first and last characters in pattern are same. Similarly, the first and last words in s are same. Again, the second and third characters in pattern are same. Similarly, the second and third words in s are same. So we can see here that they both follows the same pattern. Now in case the string s was dog, cat, peacat and dog, then we can see that the two strings pattern and s does not follow the same pattern. To find out whether the two strings follow the same pattern, what we can do is create a unique signature for these two strings and check whether these two signatures are equal or not. For example, let's first take the string pattern. Here for each character in the string, we will assign the index at which the character first occurred. A occurred first at index 0, so we will assign 0 here. B occurred first at index 1, so we will assign 1 here. Again, since B occurred first at index 1, we will assign 1 here. Since A occurred first at index 0, we will assign 0 here. Therefore, this is the signature we have generated for the string pattern. Now for the string s, for each word in the space separated string, we will assign the index at which the word first occurred. Dog occurred first at index 0, so we will assign 0 here. Cat occurred first at index 1, so we will assign 1 here. Again, since cat occurred first at index 1, we will assign 1 here. Since dog occurred first at index 0, we will assign 0 here. Therefore, this is the signature we have generated for the string s. Now we will check whether the signatures we have generated are equal or not. If they are equal, we will return true. If they are not equal, we will return false. Now let's code the solution. We will create a dictionary for storing the first index of characters present in the string pattern. We are using dictionary so that we can access the value at constant time. We will create an array for storing the signature for the string pattern. Now we will loop through each character in the string pattern using a for loop. If the current character is not already present in the index dictionary, that means we are encountering it for the first time. So we will store the current index to the index dictionary. And also during each loop, for the current character, we must add the first occurrence index to the signature. Now similarly, we will create an index dictionary and signature array for the string s. For each word in the space separated words in the string, we will store the first occurrence index in the index dictionary and also add the first occurrence index of each word to the signature array. At last, we will be checking whether the two signatures are same and returning the result. Now let's try running the program. It's working. See you in the next video.